Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AEGY. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one once before, I believe, but had the questions pouring in on it today, and actually had a bunch of people asking about it, saying, hey, look at this one back on this day. So good for you guys that brought that to my attention. Shame on me for not getting the video up then, but just a nice little example of increase in volume, nice price action leading to what was now a very big day. So again, sorry I couldn't get a video to those that brought it to my attention, but congrats to you at the same time, as hopefully you were nibbling on some shares and are now smiling ear to ear, I'm sure. So not too much to say in regard to the chart other than obviously monster day, couple levels of resistance that need to be pointed out, and then some supports. But all in all, after a day like this, it wipes quite a few of the resistance levels clean, so it kind of makes life a little easier in terms of mapping things out. Let's first, though, start off with some support levels. And the one that's really sticking out is this purple line here, the 50-day simple moving average. You can see peaked its head above it a couple days ago and then has since exploded. So in terms of the broad scope of things, this is the level you want to see hold. Now, if you're a day trader and you bought up here, obviously you don't want to see it drop all the way down to there. But if you're in this, like I said, for a longer term swing trade or just the overall chart, overall picture, then as long as the price remains above this purple line, the chart will remain bullish because this is a longer term moving average. So that's definitely the key level to keep an eye on. Other levels of support that were created today that were former levels of resistance. One being right here, you can see acted as support over here and then resistance, but now that the price is closed back above it, it is a level of support, and that level is at 0.0024. So 0024 was a newly formed level of support today. And then another one, I should note this one, this is important too. Down here, you can see again acted as resistance couple few days here, and then acted as resistance 2 days in a row there. We'll call this level 0019. So this will be another area of support. But just to repeat myself again, that key one's going to be down there at the purple level, or purple line being the 50-day simple moving average. Resistance-wise, this is about as easy as it gets. We have this level right here, which is actually, I think, exactly where it knocked down the price. You can see here 2 days right in a row where there was some price history, and that level is at 0035. Today's high was at 0035. So no shock there to see some resistance. And then after 0035, nothing until way up here at 005. So if you wanted to, you could call this level. Let me first get this up there. If you wanted to, you could call a break of 0035, a blue sky or a mini blue sky breakout, because as you can see, lots of room to run here. And then after 005, things begin to even open up even more. But one step at a time, let's first see how the price continues to react around 0035. But all in all, great looking chart after today. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll be sent a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course, over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment in your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was AEGY. Thanks for listening.